Oh, it's a good one. Okay, are you guys ready to see who we're transforming today? Let's bring her in.
Let's go.
I'm Jools.
Ondina.
I'm Salome, nice to meet you.
Oh, now I feel short. This is
Okay.
great. Amazing. I have a colour in mind. I'm leaning
tell me
towards
more.
the dark sort of chocolate tones. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting.
So it's like very it girl, like I
Yes,
feel
clean.
like your eyes will explode.
In a
Like,
good way.
In a good way.
Yeah.
With it's like very like I feel like also because of because I would go a little bit shorter with her hair, and I would actually then add something a little bit darker, like to kind of work with her natural color. Because I don't know, like this obviously this hard demarcation line is obviously bugging my eyes.
Yeah.
So I would rather tone you down a little bit, but I really like this kind of like living in a brown wool, but maybe not too ash.
Oh, you love having a fringe?
Yeah, not too short, but like
Yeah.
like curtain bangs kind of.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Are we gonna say it started?
Let's do it.
Cool, let's have some fun.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Love the smell of that.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the one we need to use. Let's just say that.
It's gonna actually happen.
So what we've went for is a 6 natural and a 6 ash. Most people's natural color, they always refer to it as mouse brown or mousy. So it's definitely a little bit more ash than what artificial color normally is. So if you want to aim for something neutral, I would always lean to something a little bit more ash. So we're using a natural and an ash to kind of like mimic what's happening here on top. If you're going to be using a really ash tone on these previously lightened ends, it will go green.
Colour theory, you know? Science.
Yep.
Like my natural colour. I like to call it dirty dishwater blonde.
Okay.
So it's like when you've done the dishes and the suds have gone and whatever's left, that's the colour of my hair. Okay? So it's like ash. Dirty.
Look, I will kill for that hair color naturally.
Well,
to be
that's
honest.
Taylor Swift's colour.
Yeah, exactly. Let's spray it. Let's
Okay.
like refresh our. It smells like spring to me. It smells happy,
Like laundry.
like fresh laundry, like fresh linen.
yeah, as well.
You know what? Can you do my side?
This is how I explain it. So think of a road, right? And you're traveling on an old country road and there's a crap load or a lot of potholes. To fill those in, people aren't going to just put the road or the asphalt straight over the top, because as soon as the next car comes in, it just goes, right? So if we don't fill the hair and all these little sort of pockets of the hair, we end up just, the next wash, it just fades out so much quicker. So we're basically coming in and filling the potholes and then putting the colour on top. And so the next time she washes her hair, it's not going to just seep out of the hair.
We intentionally used a demi-permanent color because we didn't want to give her that permanency, because she does want to change, but she might want to circle back to being a blonde in the future.
Yeah.
Like even
It's a
though
little tester for you. It's like a little, yeah, I'll take some more. Like sipping some wine, you know?
Exactly. And we're using the same formula on the roots through the ends. We've just decided to use a bowl and a brush for the root application, and then we're going to use an applicator bottle for the middlings to ends. This is just to ensure like a nice even coverage throughout.
And I can get very messy, so this is a really good way to control everything, because otherwise there's colour everywhere. Look, I have something that just throws colour, so what you see. You know, okay, you can't put this in, but there is a playlist I've been listening to in the salon called Music. So inappropriate. Back in the day, before the internet, there was this magazine called TV Hits and and music hits and stuff, and on the back was the lyrics, and you'd tear them out and I would read them.
Yeah.
Like that, and this is how we do it. That song. I don't remember to do my tax, but I remember every single lyric from 1997. It's your time to shine.
Wow.
Good job. Beautiful.
So this is our final result. I really hope you liked it. Bye.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Push it real good. Riding my pony. Don't want no short man. To the window, to the wall. Sweat drip down my
Was it?
Ah, skeet, skeet, mother. So inappropriate.